Welcome back to another episode of Astanza Tattoo Removal News, your place for all things tattoos, tattoo removal, laser technology, and more, of course. I'm Hannah Barling, the Content and Brand Marketing Manager for Astanza. Today with me is Brian Hassenbauer.
Hello everyone, Brian Hassenbauer, Vice President of Marketing here at Astanza. Glad to be back for another episode of Astanza Tattoo Removal News. If you missed any of our past episodes, you can find us everywhere.
All over.
YouTube, all those good places. Or you could just scan that little QR code
somewhere
wherever
here.
it is. So yeah, how do they subscribe and all that too?
Absolutely, yes. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to our blog and our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And if social media, Instagram specifically is your jam, be sure to go to our profile at Astanza Laser. Hit that little bell to turn those notifications on so you never miss anything from us.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely want to keep up to date with this because we got a lot of good stuff going on here.
Yeah.
And we've had a lot of stuff happen since the last time we met. What's been going on?
Well, Astanza was recently named a Great Place to Work certified for the second year in a row.
All right, let's party.
Woo!
Yeah. Awesome.
Amazing. So 100% of our employees all agree that Astanza is a great place to work.
Even the ones that watch these videos still think it's a great place to work. When we're like, hey, be quiet, we're recording today. So.
Exactly.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit more about tattoo removal and what's been going on with the industry.
Sure, yeah. So aside from our celebratory news about Astanza, I did see some new statistics about tattoos and tattoo removal that I thought would be interesting to share with everybody. You may be familiar, if you're in the tattoo world, that about 30% of Americans have tattoos. And specifically the millennials, almost half of all millennials have a tattoo. Myself included. I am in that millennial range. But of the 30% of Americans who have tattoos, about 23% of those end up regretting them for one reason or another. I can use myself as an example. My sunflower here, I liked it at first, just kind of faded faster than I thought, ended up not quite being what I wanted. So I am in the removal process here to just fade that down. So I've had 3 sessions here, and I think if I let it fade a few more weeks, I'll be ready for some new art on top.
Nice, yeah. And that's pretty common from what we hear is a lot of people want to get some fading done so that way they can get a cover up and they don't have to go with like heavy ink over it.
Totally.
So, one thing that we like to remind people about at Astanza is that just because we are the leading provider of tattoo removal equipment to tattoo shops and physicians and so forth, doesn't mean we're anti-tattoo. That's actually the opposite. We love the artwork, we love the tattooing culture, and we love that you can use laser tattoo removal to make your artwork even better.
Absolutely. So aside from fading down for a cover-up, people of course seek out complete removal as well. Another example of myself here as a guinea pig I'll show you is I am in the middle of a complete removal process on my key here. I've done 3 sessions. I just did a 3rd session last week, and I filmed it. So should we share it with everybody?
We should, but just to clarify, she did say she's a guinea pig. We do not do laser tattoo removal or hair removal for that matter on guinea pigs.
True. No pets were harmed in the making of this video.
But let's watch that video.
Okay, let's do it.
So that was a pretty good video. So you look like it was pretty comfortable. How did it feel? How'd it go?
Yeah, for sure. That was my 3rd session, so I was a little bit familiar with the process already. You see that hose in the video is actually a cryotherapy machine. It blows really, really cold air. Don't ask me, ask the science guys what temperature. But it blows really, really concentrated cool air so that it alleviates the heat from the laser. And the rest of it just kind of feels like a rubber band flicking you. So super quick, super bearable, totally worth it.
Nice, nice. And you were saying earlier when we started that tattoo removal is kind of taking off. More people are getting tattoos. Also, more people are getting tattoos removed. So don't you have some updated stats on people looking for tattoo removal?
Yeah, so actually I was just reading an article the other day. In the year of 2020 compared to the year of 2021 compared to 2020, the Google searches for tattoo removal increased by 40%.
Wow, that's significant.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, there's definitely a love for tattoo ink and now tattoo removal because you can get it removed if you don't like what you have, right?
Totally.
And we have a lot of clients that are doing that. They're tattoo shops that are also doing tattoo removal to make their artwork better. And we've got a clip from one of them coming up, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Next up, we're going to share a clip from one of our local clients here in Dallas. They are a tattoo removal business located within a tattoo studio. The perfect pair. And they are Rose Focus Tattoo Removal inside of Controversy Inc. Tattoo Studio in North Dallas. I'd love to share their space with you.
Nice, let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Rose with Rose Focus Tattoo Removal inside of Controversy Inc. Tattoo Studio in Dallas, Texas. Rose Focus Tattoo Removal has been open for about, I would say, 5 or 6 months now. I just started using the laser for about 3 months, and we decided to go ahead and get laser tattoo removal because we wanted to help our clients here at the tattoo shop either fade or completely remove a tattoo. So my boyfriend does own Controversy Inc. Tattoo Studio, and we decided together that tattoo removal would be great for our shop. At first, I was a little weary on if I wanted to do tattoo removal or not, but once I got into it, I really enjoyed, and I'm able to help people in getting fading and complete removal. So the tattoo shop in itself, we wanted to do something different than the normal tattoo shop. We do have a artsy feel, but it's a little bit more classier. But we also wanted to keep, as you can see with the paintings on the wall, we do want to keep that Chicano style in the tattoo shop because most of our artists are very diverse. In my experience in the tattoo shop and now with laser tattoo removal, I know that tattoo and tattoo removal are way better together.
Yeah, I really like that part where Rose says the tattoo removal and tattooing is just like works better together. And actually, if you've seen Inked Magazine recently with Avril Lavigne, there's a little article in here from a company named Astanza talking about better together, tattoos and tattoo removal. So if you can see that QR code, you can scan it. If not, you can just contact us. We'll give you more information about that. But yeah, the current Ink magazine with Avril Lavigne, we're featured in there with a nice ad about tattoo removal and tattoo shops better together.
Better together. And Rose Focus is just one of the many people we work with who believe in that mission as well. So we're happy to share their unique space and business with y'all.
Absolutely.
So we do make it a point to share as many resources as we can, not only with our clients and partners, but with the aesthetics world in general. The latest addition to our resources library is a recently released webinar, How to Instagram for Laser Businesses. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah, that's true. And it's not the old boring library that you typically would go to in college with all these crappy books you don't really want to read.
Card catalog.
This is good stuff. So go to the aesthetic library. You can see that QR code dangling around somewhere here. But yeah, that's one of our goals, is to help people in the aesthetic industry, whether it's our clients or not, but to learn more about the aesthetic industry, how to get into tattoo removal, hair removal, and how to profit and how to market their business as well. So that's what we're trying to do with the aesthetic library.
Definitely. And that How to Instagram webinar, whether you're brand new to the platform or you've been on there for a while, you will get, the business profile basics as well as expert guidance to be successful on the platform and online in general for your business. So definitely check that one out.
Yeah, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. All right, on our next segment, we're gonna.
Just saying, we got new reviews in.
Oh,
What?
review time!
Review
love
time.
it. That's one of the things we love most at Astanza, because we're trying to be changing lives, and that's not just our employees or our customers or their customers, but we want to be successful in tattoo removal with everyone. So we're always excited when we get some new reviews. So
Let's read them.
this first review is from Eric Wells with Envision Laser Removal. Thanks, Eric. He came to our New Look Laser College course, and he said that he was excited about how we learned how to conduct the business of laser tattoo removal. That's one thing we teach here, is not just how to do tattoo removal, but how to run a business. He was also excited about meeting the president of the company, which is very nice. Did a lot of treatments and learned how to actually do laser tattoo removal. And he said here that they have a marketing support team, a business development team, and an incredible laser technology support team. And this company is multifaceted. So he said, kudos to Astanza Laser for helping me keep my community, or helping me help my community by #changing lives.
I love that.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, thank you, Eric. So a second review that just came in that we'd love to share is from Heather McDaniel with Navarre Beach Tattoo. Thanks for writing us, Heather. She says that the team Astanza was there every step of the way to answer all of her questions and made everything from start to finish just so easy. She also says that the marketing team, Amy in particular, really knows what she's doing, and Astanza is lucky to have her on board. We agree. Thank you, Amy. And otherwise, she just said that everybody made her feel comfortable from start to finish and said, thank you, Astanza. So thank you, Heather.
All right, and our third review that we've got recently is from Alfredo Jativa from Laser Procedure of Florida. And I'm going to quote from his review here. It says, it's great to know that you've not only invested in your own company, but that the company you chose to work with is also vested in your company's growth. Thanks so much, Astanza and team. You made our dreams come true. And that's what we're trying to do here at Astanza, is change lives and make people's dreams come true.
Well, I think that's about all we've got time for here today. So thank you again for joining us. But don't worry, you don't have to wait till the next episode to stay in the loop on all things Astanza. Of course, follow us on Facebook, like our Instagram page. Oh, wait, I said those backwards. You guys know what to do. Subscribe to our channel as well as our blog on astanzalaser.com so you never miss anything.
That's true. You definitely don't want to miss anything that we're doing, and have to say. So thanks for joining us today, Hannah. Until next time, Brian Hassenbauer.
Hannah Barling, your host of Astanza Tattoo Removal News.